Tony.
There's a break in there. Come on, break.
What's your 20, buddy?
Everton, what's yours?
Forward. What's Center City, Philadelphia, Roger?
Roger. What's the old handle?
Dallas 1, Comstock Kid, Roger.
Oh, 10-4 Comstock Kid. This is Tiny out here in Havertown. 10-4.
10-4 there, Tony. 10-4. Yes, I have the copy up there.
Oh, not too bad. Coming up here about a 10.
Alright, on the bench, this is my own radio. It's a Johnson Messenger 4175. What a great looking radio this is. But I just wanted to do a quick video before I put this away on my shelf. I just finished recapping it and aligning it. Probably one of the easier radios to recap and align that I have in my collection. But I also wanted to kind of show off the audio quality on these Johnson radios. A lot of people do these hi-fi mods that really honestly don't do anything. They pay all this crazy money for these transmit audio quality and this and that, and I don't know, I'm not a believer in any of that stuff. But this radio does it right off the bat, just crystal clear. It is not a super swinging radio, but what you do get out of it, it is just fantastic. And this video is not going to do this justice, but just listen to this.
Check 1, check 2, check 1, check 2. Crystal clear audio out of this Johnson Messenger. Just crystal clear. 100% modulation.
Yeah, it's not gonna, let me turn that down. It's not gonna swing, 20 watts. I mean, it'll swing to 11 or so. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check, check. But, man, just crystal clear. So let me put this on the antenna. I don't know if I'm gonna get any any skip today, but I'll put her on the antenna and we can kind of just cruise around for a little bit and just enjoy the radio. The only thing I got left to do to it is there's like this, I don't know, almost like overspray or something on the top cover. I gotta probably polish that out and put it on the shelf. Let me get this on the antenna. Alright, well, we're on the antenna, but it's really not that much skip going on. We can try.
If you reach the age of what you just said, you're getting old and all of that good stuff. We are getting there someday, so we want different temperature to the body because the bone, arthritis, all that good stuff, you got to be healthy. You don't want no pain when you're relaxing that way.
Really quiet receive. Just a great radio. One of my favorites in my collection anyway. Alright guys, I'm going to end it there. Thanks for watching.